TokenPocket Multichain Wallet App. The pros, the cons. Most people think of crypto wallets as simple storage tools, but the TokenPocket Multichain Wallet App changes that idea completely. It's designed to be your all-in-one access point for the decentralized world, and the results are both impressive and complicated. Let's start with the pros. TokenPocket is one of the oldest multi-chain wallets around, supporting more than 100 mainnets, including Ethereum, BNB, Polygon and Tron. It's like a universal remote for your crypto life. You can hold, send and swap assets directly inside the app without needing to juggle multiple wallets. Its built-in dApp browser is another major advantage. You can connect to decentralized exchanges, games, NEV platforms, and yield farms instantly, all within the wallet interface. TokenPocket even features a resource management function for networks like EOS and Tron, allowing you to manage bandwidth and CPU without external tools. In terms of security, TokenPocket lets you keep your private keys locally, meaning you always maintain control. It also supports hardware wallets like Ledger for added safety. The app even has a backup and restore feature using mnemonic phrases to protect you from accidental loss. However, the cons reveal why this wallet isn't for everyone. The interface, while functional, can feel cluttered to new users. With so many supported chains and tools, it's easy to get lost in the menus. Also, while the app integrates well with web services, it may occasionally struggle with newer blockchain networks until updates are released. Another consideration is that TokenPocket has had occasional reports of phishing attempts through fake dApps, a common problem in open ecosystems. Users must stay cautious and only interact with verified applications. Overall, TokenPocket is ideal for crypto enthusiasts who love exploring DeFi and multi-chain ecosystems. It's versatile, powerful and feature-rich, but demands some experience to use safely and effectively. If you're ready for full control of your web experience, TokenPocket delivers. Just remember, with great flexibility comes great responsibility.